In this video, I built this keyboard purely off Amazon. Sounds pretty good, right? So the reason for this video is because a bunch of you guys keep telling me, oh, I can't build anything good off Amazon, or the keyboard Amazon stuff sucks. Well, it's alright guys, Daddy Squashy is here to save you. It sounds so crazy. So everything I used in this video, the tools, the keycaps, the case, everything were bought off Amazon. All except the cables because of today's sponsor, CableMod. Sponsor break.
Can I help you?
Need good cables? CableMod has got your back. Their handcrafted cables ensures quality in every cable you buy. They also have a custom cable configurator which can configure your cables in any way you like. Use code Squashy for 10% off in the link below.
What in the hell?
Hi, welcome back. So in front of me, I have all the stuff you'll need to build this keyboard. It consists of 4 parts: the switches, the keycaps, the case kit itself, and the modding kit. I also have this extra switch opener which I call the switch cracker. It's also available on Amazon, but there are cheaper options, so I wouldn't call this a necessary item. And with that said, let's start with the build. And we start with the case. This is called the DNA 65%, and it's a 65% layout. The keyboard is made of stacked acrylic. Its construction is a little wobbly, but I think it's really cool for the price. There's a nice badge behind, and there's another at the front. There's space for the arrow keys and also a delete key. And it also comes pre-assembled, so that means we only need to work on the stabilizers. So the stabilizers that came with these aren't that great, and they are really rattly, but at least they will clip, so we only just need to lube them. And we'll be lubing them with the modding kit. I'm surprised the modding kit actually came with nice pouches for everything. Here's the lube. And here's the rest of the stuff. It comes with a keycap puller, a switch holder, a switch puller, and even a paintbrush, which we'll be using. I lubed all the stabilizers and put them back in place. And then I moved on to the switches. So these switches are called the Novel Keys Cream switches. They are pretty popular switch and even Tfue uses them. These switches are made from a self-lubricating material, a POM material. What it essentially means is that if pressed fast, smooth. If pressed slow, a lot rough. A lot rough. Yeah, don't press them slowly. Although we'll be fixing the latter by lubing them. And lubing them we will. I even got my switch cracker. Look how easy they split apart. Oh my god, I love my switch cracker. So I lube the insides, lube the outside, lube the springs, and there we go. Shut up, bird. Alright, we're done with that. Let's move on to the keycaps. Now, some of you may remember these keycaps. I did do a video on these keycaps before and it went mega viral. See, they weren't on Amazon at that time, but now they are. So technically, I single-handedly brought them on Amazon. You're welcome. So we start assembling the keyboard. See, everything was going fine until I hit the shift key. So the shift key was the wrong size. And this is the final build. And so yeah guys, this is the all Amazon keyboard. Honestly, I think it's just okay for its price. You can get better. Ow. I just slapped my own finger. Okay, fine. I stand corrected guys. You're right, you can't build anything good off Amazon. This keyboard sucks. It may sound a little better if you foam mod it, which I can't do because I didn't buy foam. And also I'll definitely recommend buying a keycap set which fits correctly, unlike, you know, this one. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Do remember to smash like. And for those of you who stayed till the very end, do let me know by commenting down below